Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing up and verifying your account so you can submit immediately. Once done, upload a clean headshot and a 1-minute slate. You want casting to recognize you at a glance. Make sure your union status and location are accurate because submissions filter by those fields. Then attach a concise PDF resume and link any relevant social pages so casting can cross-check credits. This first setup minimizes friction and lets you submit to roles without delay. You now craft the audition materials that sell your performance. Record a slate, a cold read, and the full take. Once recorded, edit trims to the required length and name files exactly as the casting notice requires. Make sure video is 1080p, exposure balanced, and audio clear. Poor sound kills a great read. Then upload each file to the role submission and fill role-specific fields like character name and availability, so the casting director immediately knows you meet the requirements. You finish by submitting and actively managing responses so you don't miss callbacks. After double-checking attachments and deadline timestamps, hit submit and immediately verify the submission confirmation. Once submitted, monitor status and messages, respond within 24 hours and update availability as needed. If uploads fail or playback is corrupt, clear your browser cache, retry with a different browser or device, and re-upload. If problems persist, contact support with screenshots and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.